Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today I have a bag unboxing for you guys. As you guys know, I just did my luxury haul where I talked about all the things I wanted for 2022, but this wasn't on there, but I still wanted it. If you guys haven't checked out my affordable handbag haul that I did last year, definitely check that out. But as you guys can see, if you're new here or if you're coming back, Marc Jacobs is one of my favorite brands. Like, I feel this will be my third bag and I have no regrets and I love this bag. I actually wanted it. It was on my list of bags I wanted after the the leather tote bag that I love. So I originally wanted the SoftBox perforated, and this one is the one that has like the red handle, the perforations throughout the bag, and it has like a little bit of tan brown in there. And they also have that color in a like a cream color with, I believe, a black handle or brown handle. But I was like, something about the perforation just wasn't doing it for me, and for some reason that one costs more. So that one is $4.25, where the SoftBox is, I believe, $3.95, and they also have a SoftBox mini. So I guess there's two of the regular sizes and the mini version. I have the regular SoftBox, so let me show you guys the one that I got. So this is the SoftBox Colorblock. So I got the SoftBox Colorblock, and I was actually really excited to get this because I got it on sale on essence.com. If it's still available on sale, of course I will link it down below, but this bag is still available and it comes in multiple colors. So I got the Colorblock in obviously the black and the white. So it has black and Marc Jacobs across the bag here. The back is white, and on the bottom here is black. And of course the handle, which you guys probably can't see just because of the lighting, has Marc Jacobs, like a rubber handle. So if you guys haven't seen my luxury haul, like I stated before, I've been liking bags that have a top handle. For some reason, when it has a top handle, I don't know, I just feel like I enjoy it much more. And this one has the top handle, which is like a rubber, so it's comfortable. It has Marc Jacobs here, but it also has a crossbody strap that comes with it. So you have multiple options of how you can wear it, and with the crossbody, or you can kind of just hold it in your hand. So as you can see, like now, like holding the bag, it just looks like a lunchbox, but it's not like a lunchbox. So now it's stuffed. Of course it came like stuffed up with paper and all of the goodies. Let me just take everything out. So once you take everything out, it kind of gives you like the Loewe vibes, but like cut the less price point. So when you kind of stuff in, you add things to the bag, it kind of slouches down. So it's not just like this box, like this lunchbox kind of looking bag. It slouches down, and then you kind of have that looking like that, which like I die. Like I love that kind of style, and the top handle. And I just love that it says Marc Jacobs. As you know, all his bags, Marc Jacobs across it. And either you like that or you just kind of don't like that. But inside, of course, it comes with the strap that comes in the bag that I didn't even put on yet, honestly, because as soon as I got it, I was like, oh my God, I can wear it just like this, and I love that. But it comes with that. Of course, it comes with the Marc Jacobs duster bag that you kind of use for storage, which is super cute too. And the strap, which I like. So let me take the strap out of the packaging just so I can show you guys how I will wear it and kind of what fits inside. So across the bag, it has two different areas for storage. So it has the first zipper pocket on the inside, which kind of has like your standard like zipper, like a card flap that you can kind of put cards and like little things that you might have. And then that's it. And then when you open the other back half, there's no card holders, but it's just like a big open space. So a lot can actually fit in this bag. Like anything that you would probably need to take throughout your day, your phone, what do I carry? Phone, AirPods, what do I put in my bag? Makeup case, lipstick, mirrors, all that can fit in here, and plus have a lot more room. I definitely want to carry it this way mostly, so I wouldn't want to make it super heavy, but obviously the more you put it in, the more it's going to slouch down and give that shape like this, which I really, really, really like. But like inside, it could fit a whole lot. And of course I'm going to show you guys like what I typically will put in my bag for the day. Usually I wear my Marc Jacobs tote, so of course I'm like toting around a computer, a planner, all that stuff. So obviously this will be more of my weekend bag where I won't be putting as much things, but I still can put a whole lot in this bag. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the strap on with the video on the side. But I love the option that it has a strap, and the strap that it comes with is adjustable, which I love, because a lot of times you get crossbody bags, either the strap, for me, like for instance, like my Tory Burch vanity bag, it's not an adjustable strap, so it works where the bag like kind of hits me like right here. But I would love if it was a tad bit longer, so when I wear my winter coats, it can kind of go over comfortably without like being by my boob. So this one has an adjustable strap. So whether you kind of want to wear it if you're taller, if you want to wear it closer to your armpit, or you want a little bit longer, you're able to adjust that, which I really, really do like. Now with this bag, I can wear it like a ton of ways, honestly. White and black just seems to be kind of what I've been wearing lately. I know I've been into like winter brights, and you can definitely do that with this bag because you have the black and white. You can add like a pop of color. Imagine this with like my pink sweater dress from and Other Stories, and this bag and black boots. You still have the color block where you can kind of work against it, or you can work it with you. What I have on now, it can kind of go with that. I just thought the black and white was just perfect for me. They even had a red color. The red color, I'm gonna show you guys. That's fire too. They have a tan color. It just comes in a bunch of different colors, which I really, really like. I know with every Marc Jacobs bag that I've had, whether it being the tote, the quality is just super durable. It lasts, you know, it's not one of those bags. You know, sometimes you get like a leather bag and then it starts like peeling and like strings start coming out. That doesn't happen with Marc Jacobs bags, like not at all. Like I have kicked my toe around, it's dirty, but it's still in place, still intact, perfect quality. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me standing up, and I'm gonna show you guys what actually fits inside the bag. But it's a pretty big bag. When I saw the mini online, I was like, I don't want a mini bag because I have like a vanity bag that's super small. But if the inside is like this in a mini, you can actually fit quite a bit of things in there. So if you're looking at the mini and you don't like this size, definitely consider it, because this is like pretty big, you know what I mean? I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller, but I don't mind it at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what actually fits inside the bag. So typically all the things I put in my bag, I laid out to the left. So I usually always bring my Chanel mirror, my compact mirror, my phone, of course, a mask, which is always great. Technically with this card, you don't have to bring a wallet. You can put your cards like right here in this piece here, but I always bring my card case, my Coach card case, so I'll put that in the front. A pair of sunglasses. These are my Loewe glasses in this big bulky case. I usually don't take the case, I usually wear them, but I can throw that in here. I can put my hand cream in there. I put that in the back. I have my lipstick items, so my lip liner, lip gloss, and all that. So I'll put that in the front because I usually go for that. Sanitizer, because you know we need that. And I have a pouch where my lady items, feminine stuff that I need in case of an emergency. So this is probably a big bulky thing that I don't carry all the time, but let's see if it just fits in there comfortably. Maybe I'll put that in the front. So all of that fits, and I still have room to put more. And like I told you guys before, it kind of gives like that perfect slouch kind of look, and I have that here. Now it's pretty heavy. I probably will take out the glasses and take out the pouch that I usually don't want to take with the big sunglass case, because now holding like this, it's like hurting my arm right now, but it fits a whole lot and it still has room. So if you're looking for a purse that you can actually carry, this is a really good option. And of course I have the crossbody strap that you can kind of wear across the body too, but you see how it gives that perfect like little dip, you know, Loewe vibe dip. Love that. So again, this bag actually retails for $3.95, which is an amazing price. So this one's $3.95. The one that's perforated, I don't know why it costs more, but that one's $4.25. And the minis is $3.25, if I'm not mistaken. $3.25, but there's so many options. There's so many different colors for whatever style, or you know what I mean, color block way you want, or even if you just want the plain. I'm telling you, that red one is like really, really nice. But I'm really happy with this bag, of course. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Like, I'm obsessed. It's super heavy right now. Like, I have this packed, like super heavy, but I really think this is like a perfect contemporary bag choice if you're looking for something that's affordable but yet still stylish and still on trend, and like not, you don't want to spend a ton of money. Like, let's save and spend wisely this year. But I love this style. I love this colorway. What do you guys think? Do you like love it? Like, do you like it? The leather on Marc Jacobs bags are like super soft. It's durable, super durable. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, so many colorways, so many options. So let me know if you would pick up this bag or if you will wear it. How would you wear it? I plan on styling this up. I'm gonna style it up a few ways on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I'm Brown Girl Beauty NYC on there. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, guys, be safe and be well. Bye.